Hey guys, I'm back for a new video. I'm so sorry, it's been a long time. I've been busy with a lot of stuff, so I hope you forgive me. Anyways, I'm here to make a Halloween makeup inspired by All of Us Are Dead, Namra. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so if you're planning to copy this, I'll give you the materials. Don't forget the eyeliner, the basic makeup kit, fake blood, and any lip tint that you have, okay na yon. For the prosthetic, yung SFX Kineme, flour, petroleum jelly, mimix natin siya together. For the hair, kailangan ganito yung buhok mo, hati sa gitna. I think we can start. And then I'll just do the eyeliner. Okay. Hindi ko gagalawin itong isa dahil andyan yung prosthetics. And then, both of her eyes is namumula. So, lalagyan ko ng a little bit of red at the bottom. Ayaw mamula. Masobrahan. So, goods na tayo dito. Dito naman prosthetics. Mag-mix na ako ng flour and petroleum jelly. Ito na. I formed it. Just flour and petroleum jelly. And then brown eyeshadow. So, si Namra, meron siyang parang dalawang layer ata yun. Pero gagawin ko na lang is isang layer and then ipa-form ko na lang siya na parang dalawang layer. And then yung pagkabit niya is kailangan kakapit mo siya sa mukha mo. Oh my God! And then, lalagyan natin ng layer tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. Ayan. Ngayon, tsaka natin siya pupulahan tulad ng kabila. Pero ngayon, buo halos. Parang sinapak ko lang ako dito. Ay, gago. Sobrang pula. Lagyan natin ng ugat-ugat. Siyempre, dapat may medyo realistic. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! For the lips, lalagyan ko ng tissue paper yung labi ko. So this is the finished look.
Ginagawa?
Hambi na ako. Hambi. Nakuha ba? Medyo okay naman siya, I think. Ang gagamitin nyo lang is flour and petroleum jelly and a little bit of brown and you know na Lipton and tada, Namra. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and nagets niyo yung mga sabi ko dito. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa mga party nyo. Wala akong party. Kids party lang. But may make-upan kayo mga kids. So I think I'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on my next video. Bye. Awesomes.